Read and rhyme CVC and CK words bug and duck. Bug and duck pack a sack. Duck can put it on his back. Bug has a stick. Bug has a cap. Duck has a sun hat and a map. On and on up the track. Get to top and have a snack. Can you read these words from the story? Bug, can, on, his, has, cap, sun hat, put, the, have, bag, pack, sack, stick, track. Questions about the story. First, who were the main characters of the story? Second, where were they going? Third, what does duck carry on his back? Fourth, have you ever been on hiking before? Thanks for watching. For more readers, like and subscribe the channel.